What is up, Q Squad? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Pinch Me box unboxing today. I did do one of these like a year ago on my channel, but I am back with another one. Okay, so this is what the box looks like that I received right here. Basically what you guys do is go to pinchme.com if you don't know, and you answer some questions, and basically they send you free products for free, and the shipping is free. Like, you literally pay for nothing, but only thing you have to do in return is actually give a review and your thoughts about every product that is in your box. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what I received this time. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'm just gonna open it up on this side. This side has my information, that's why I'm not showing it to you guys. But yeah, let's just go ahead and open this right on up. Wow, okay, let's see. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the box. This is what it looks like here inside of the box, and I'm just gonna dig in and grab whatever I can get out of here. Here is, it's some type of rice product. So you can get $2 off. Put that to the side. And what's this? Oh wow, so they actually gave me some of it inside of my box, and this is what it looks like here. And it actually has all the instructions on the back right there of how to make it and everything like that. Never had anything like this before, but yeah, they gave me this and also like a coupon. I guess if you like it, you can get it for $2. You can save $2. Okay, let's see this. What is this? Nice and easy. I'm not really sure what this is here. I think this is for some hair dye. It just looks like this. And then on the back there is like a little coupon here. And let's see, there's like 2 more items in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull both of them out. So here is just some Dark and Lovely damage stuff. Like here is some treatment, shampoo, and conditioner. So that's that. And the last thing that was in that box was this little bag of Skittles here, and these are new. It says Sweet Heat Skittles. It says the flavors are, if you guys hit in the background noise, it's the stove fan, but the names of the flavor are Sizzling Strawberry, Blazing Mango, Lemon Spark, Flamin' Orange, and Fiery Watermelon. Wow. And all the names are right there. You guys probably can't even see it, but I will try these out. Okay, so that is off my Pinch Me box, you guys. I'm going to test out every one of these products, like this Damage Slayer Dark and Lovely treatments things here. Pretty good because, you know, I do like to color my hair and do stuff like that. This I probably won't use. It's just a hair bow, I think, to be honest. It's just a hair bow telling you about the dye. I mean, may not use this, but it could come in handy. You never know when I want to dye my hair. These Skittles definitely are going to come in handy, and the other goulash rice stuff, I will be trying that out with my family. But if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe down below. Anyway, guys, if you hear any background noise, it's my little cousin. But if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.